I'm Lance, and welcome to another episode of This Old Bug. Won't you stay a while? In this episode, I learned to weld. Poorly. There was a hole here. I filled it. It looks like crap. I have a friend coming next weekend to help me with a bigger hole. I mean, this is not a big deal because I'm going to cover it with rubberization and then upholstery, so you won't really be able to see it. Another hole here. I tried, because it looks so bad, to use the grinder to just grind it down and try to make it a little flush, but honestly, it just looks terrible. This is not what good welds look like, and I know that. But like I said, next weekend I have my friend Chris come in to help me replace that hole there, because I feel like that needs to be done a little better than I was accepting to put that on. We have that piece sitting over here. Got to get it done. Got a big old hole in the body that I'm going to try to fill as well. There's rust on this side. Notice a little bubbling. And there's a lot of rust on this side too. That was bondoed up so I couldn't see it under the paint. It wasn't until I stripped the paint off that you could really see it. And these parts here, they fill it at the factory. They filled these with an expanding foam. The problem is that foam holds moisture that gets in there because this is all open. So this section here of the car, between this piece of sheet metal and this piece of sheet metal, are open here, so you can actually get into this here, so moisture can get in there. Then this expanding foam that they put in by the factory holds that moisture here, which typically causes this part of the car to rust out really bad because it's all in here. It's to prevent that foam is here. This is where your motor would typically be. It's to fill these holes so that they can't get any kind of exhaust or anything back into the car. But, you know, what is this car, 47 years old? After that long, that rust starts to come out, which is why we had rust there and here. Another thing I discovered when I took the upholstery out on the inside is this is the firewall here. This is riveted together. Someone cut this out and then used just a little piece of metal here and some rivets. We really couldn't tell because on the other side they had tape and they had painted it. So from this side it looked like it was kind of solid, like a repair had been made, but it was just tape. So fortunately there was never a fire. Otherwise that would have been really bad. I have a little bit of a problem right now though, as I'm cleaning up a little bit and trying to put some of my tools away because I've been keeping my garage quite messy, and I keep my tools organized. You can see on my little labels on my toolboxes. Like I said, my garage is a mess right now. Don't judge me. Where do you put a pickle fork?